I'll guide you through withdrawing cash from your Capital One credit card, understanding the fees involved, and executing the transaction step by step. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Withdrawing cash using a credit card is known as a cash advance. While useful in emergencies, here are costs to keep in mind. Capital One charges an upfront fee, typically 5% of the withdrawal amount or $5, whichever is greater. Cash advance APRs are significantly higher than standard purchase rates, often hovering around 28% to 29% variable. Unlike standard card purchases, interest starts accumulating immediately on the day you make the withdrawal. Third-party ATMs may add an extra usage fee on top of Capital One's charges. The first step is to log into the Capital One mobile app or website to check your available cash advance limit, which is typically lower than your overall credit limit. To set up a cash PIN, log into your account via browser or app, go to Control Your Card, and select Get a Cash Advance PIN. Capital One can often verify your identity via text or email, so you can set a custom PIN immediately. Otherwise, a PIN will be sent by mail in 7 to 10 business days. To withdraw cash at the ATM, insert your credit card into any supported ATM. Enter your 4-digit cash PIN. Select Cash Advance or Credit. Then enter your desired amount, accept the fee prompt, and collect your cash. To withdraw cash at a bank branch, visit a bank branch that accepts Visa or MasterCard. Present your credit card along with a government-issued photo ID to the teller to request a cash advance. Be sure to log into your Capital One app and pay off the full cash advance amount immediately to minimize interest charges. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.